Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramenrater, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can go and look in the post that this came out on or the YouTube video, and it'll have a link to where you can get these and a special coupon code you can use. Yeah, these are subscription boxes. They're pretty neat. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Cool. So when you crack open one of these boxes, the first thing you'll see is this pamphlet. And inside, everything that comes in the box is detailed. It'll give you information on how to cook it. Yeah, everything that's in here and what it actually is. So if you don't know how to read Japanese and want to know what you're getting, you want to hang on to this. So don't lose it. And we're going to go through everything that's in the box. You also get a recipe card. All right, first off, we've got this Toi non-cup Japanese-style kitsune udon. So the noodle's thicker, and it's got kitsune, which is a fried tofu. I don't know that I've had this one, but this is a pretty standard flavor. They call it non-cup because the noodle block is round, and yeah, there you go. Next one, we've got one from Itsuki. This is their Kurume Tonkatsu Ramen, and this one is under the new packaging. So I'll be giving this one a new review. They're straight noodles and they're generally really quite good. Next up, here's something I haven't seen before. This is from Igarashi Saimen. This is Okinawa Wafudashi Ramen. I've heard of Okinawa Soba before. Never tried this one though. This is pretty cool. Thanks. And here's an interesting one that they're just calling Takanoko rice. And this stuff is, I've had a couple of the rices that they put in here. It's heavy. You just microwave it for a short period of time. And this one, I guess, has a lot of menma, bamboo shoots. So, sounds good to me. And here's an interesting one. This is ripened tomato oatmeal. And they've been putting these oatmeal in varieties in lately. Some of them have been really exotic with like seafood flavors and all sorts of stuff. So, looking forward to giving this one a try next. And this one's a score. This is Daikoku Big Sauce Yakisoba. And sauce yakisoba is generally like the yakisoba you're probably used to having. It's got that little bit of almost like a Worcestershire flavor. And it's big. So this should be pretty good. I'm really looking forward to giving this one a try. And wow, the box this month is full of surprises. This one is a variety from Higashimaru. This is a tonkatsu style Kagoshima ramen. And I've generally had no complaints about the Higashimaru product line. So I don't even remember if I've had this one. If I have, it's been a while. So we'll see. And here's one from Kenko Foods. This is their miso ramen. These are generally in the healthier idea of things, I guess. They use like 100% vegetable oil. I don't know what else they'd be using generally, like, you know, palm oil. But yeah, they're usually pretty good, and the noodle's quite good too. Finally, we come to the bonus item. This is salted kombu chazuke. So generally this is kind of like furikake in a way, just a little bit chunkier and larger bits in this bag. It's like a topping, so you could put on rice or noodles. Generally rice would probably work best, or soup. And yeah, cool. So in this, the March 2023 Umai crate, you get miso, oatmeal, Okinawa ramen, tonkatsu, chazuke, tonkatsu, kitsune udon, some rice, yakisoba, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. All right, cool. Well, thank you very much to the folks that make these Umai crates for sending this one over as usual. And yeah, look in the description, look in the post and all that stuff, and you'll find the information on getting one of these and getting a discount with a special coupon code. And this has been Hans the Ramenrater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.